Hi, it's Dr. Pavanka. I just wanted to talk a little bit about rehab therapy. We touched the surface a little bit with that underwater treadmill video. That's not necessarily specific to rehab therapy because we do use it for conditioning programs and also for weight loss. That said, some of the home exercises we use for rehab therapy also are very beneficial to weight loss and conditioning. But in all, rehab therapy is more like if you were to go to the physical therapist. Typically, we do have a medical condition that we're trying to treat. We do have some dogs, like I said, who use it for conditioning, kind of like going to the gym. So with that, we look at what deficiencies we're needing to correct as far as if we're having like a weak front end, weak hind end, if there's issues with the core muscles. And just like if you're working with a personal trainer or a physical therapist, you go in and we target those exercises to those dogs and what they can handle. So I am going to show you a clip. It has one of our clients' dogs, and this client was nice enough to allow me to use this video. But she is a rock star with her rehab therapy, and she and our vet tech, Sarah, go through a lot of the exercises with her. I'm just going to show a little bit, but it's kind of a peek into what she does for hers. Now, each of these exercises are specific to this dog, and I would recommend speaking to either a veterinary rehab therapist or even potentially your regular vet before trying any of these with your dog to assess if they're appropriate for your dog. There are some levels of exercise, just like if you see that cool, fun fitness craze. I know for me, it was the dance plank. It looks really cool and I think I can do it, but I definitely can't do it. But it's something to work up into. So if it's not something your dog can do right now, you might want to check and see what the steps are to work them up to that level of activity. There are some Facebook groups that do have some of those exercises also, but I would still make sure that you check in with a veterinarian or a veterinary rehab specialist who has gone through those steps and worked through them so that they know where your dog is and exactly what you need to do to get your dog to that level of training. Do let me know if you have any questions or any other topics you want me to bring up, but right now you can go ahead and take a peek at that clip of that rehab session.